All right, so we're going to continue with our half note exercise. And the next song we're going to work on, or the next exercise we're going to work on, is playing half notes or half note workout. Okay, so let's take a look at the music here. So, first things first, we see what? I'm going to circle it here. Okay, you should remember this is now a whole rest because if you look really, really closely, it is hanging from the fourth line. The half rest, which is right here, is sitting on the third line. Here's another half rest. Okay, so that's how we can distinguish between a whole rest, which hangs on the fourth line, versus a half rest that sits on the third line. So I'm just going to take my eraser and erase my markings so that we can look at our music. Okay, so we have to rest 2, 3, 4 because we know a whole rest gets 4 beats of silence. And then we have to rest again 1, 2, 3, 4. Resting meaning that we're not playing the keyboard. And then we have C, which is a half note we play. D, half note, E, and then we have to rest for 2 beats because this is a half rest. Let's look at measure 5. We have C, C, 2 half notes. Then we go to D, and then we have to rest here for 2 beats because this is a half rest. Moving along, we have C, D, and then E, rest, rest, and then we go to C, rest, rest, then we go to D, rest, rest, then we go to C, D, E, rest, rest, and then measure 13, which is right here. We repeat, okay? It's very much a pattern. C, C, D, rest, rest, C, D, E, rest, rest, C, D, C, rest, rest, C, D, C, rest, rest. Okay, so we went it over the music, and notice you're only playing, I'll use my right hand, C, D, and E. Okay, just those 3 notes, rather C, D, E. Finger number 1 on C, finger number 2 on D, and finger number 3 on E. Finger number 1 on C, finger number 2 on D, finger number 3 on E. Okay, first we're not going to play with the backing track, so we understand what we're doing here, but I will give you a count in. But remember, we have to rest in the beginning. Okay, so you're resting. So I'm going to first give a count in, and then I'm going to rest 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4, then play my half notes. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. Rest 2, 3, 4, rest 2, 3, 4, and I have C, D, E, rest, rest, C, C, D, rest, rest, C, D, E, rest, rest, C, rest, rest, D, rest, rest, C, D, E, rest, rest, C, C, D, rest, rest, C, D, E, rest, rest, C, D, C, rest, rest, C, D, C, rest, rest. Okay, hopefully you were able to follow along. All right, let's try it now with the backing track. Okay, get ready.
1, 2, set, go.
Rest 2, rest, rest. C, D, E, rest, rest. C, rest, rest. D, rest, rest. C, D, E, rest, rest. C, C, D, rest, rest. C, D, E, rest, rest. C, D, C, rest, rest. C, D, C, rest, rest. That was really fun. All right, so don't forget to take your time. You can go back and forth with the video so that you have a good handle on your half rest. Nice work.